Hello everyone, PW Chronicles here. It is currently raining and I have to walk my 30-minute walk while it's effing raining. I don't like walking when it's raining because California forget how to drive when it rains. Yep, decided I'm still gonna get my walk in even though it's raining. 30 minutes, fit challenge. This is very different. But at least it's quiet and peaceful. Got a water bottle in my pocket. And we're just gonna keep moving until we reach our destination of back home again. As I was saying before, or last night, if y'all have any questions about anything, feel free to ask, or if there's anything specific you want to see, um, feel free to ask in the comments. That'd be pretty cool. I want to be able to live stream someday, because I feel like that would be motivating. But, yeah, I'm gonna end this little clip here, and I'll update you when I'm halfway home. Let me update you on my walk. So here's to die. I'm committed to the bit. I'm committed to the bit. I'm committed to the bit. Oh, a challenge. Same difference. Put your hands on that wheel right there for me. Yep. So we've completed the walk today. A 30-minute walk. I'm doing good. As I said earlier in the clip, if you have any questions about me, my life, my journey, feel free to ask away. I'm an open loop. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.